How to do affiliate marketing without website. In this video I will share 7 ways to do affiliate marketing without website. Guys, keep in mind that website or blog plays a crucial role in the affiliate marketing process. If you have a budget much time, then go for website or blog. I highly recommend you to go for blog. So if you have a budget and time, in case if you are searching for the ways to promote your affiliate products without websites, then this video will help you. The first method is the social media. Using social media, you can promote your products very well on the social media platform. So the major platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. On Facebook, you have to create one Facebook page and you have to grow your relevance, followers as a likes, and then you have to promote your affiliate products. On Facebook, you can also build your own community, which is Facebook group. So for this, you have to build some members for the group, and then you can recommend your affiliate products to the audience. On the Instagram, you have to make some videos and slideshows and some image based posts, and you have to promote your products in the bio. And the coming to the LinkedIn, you have to build the connections, then you have to recommend the products to your connections. On the Twitter, you have to grow the followers, and there you have to recommend the products. See guys, in the social media, you have to build the followers first, and then you have to suggest the products for your users. That is one way. So the another way is you have to find out the groups. So like on Facebook, there are Facebook groups. So it is not by you. So there are available some Facebook groups publicly. So anyone can join and can promote their products and services. So if the admin accept. So on LinkedIn, groups also available. So you have to find the relevant forums to your products, and then you have to promote. But it is not that much effective, and it takes lot of time. And first in these groups, you have to build the trust on you. So for this, you have to provide lot of value to the group members, like some tips, some written articles. Like that, you have to provide the value first, and then you have to recommend your products. In building followers, so you will get, you are already building the trust. So because the follower is following you by having some trust on you, so that's why you already created some trust on your followers. Then you can ready to promote your affiliate products. I highly recommend you to go for building your own audience, like followers. You have to build your followers either Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. So what are the platform working for you more better? Okay, in this social media will help you a lot to promote your affiliate products without website. The next method is the find out the forums. There are a lot of forums available online. Just you have to join, and then you have to add the value, and there are a lot of questions. So you have to answer the questions with your affiliate links. First you have to solve the user's question, and then you have to recommend your affiliate products. The how to promote your affiliate product there, the product will have to solve the user's problem. Suppose user have a particular problem, then you are answering that question, then you have to suggest that this particular product will solve your problem. So user definitely, most of the users will buy the product through affiliate link, and you will get the commission. The next method is the create an ebook for your audience. You have to create an in-depth and detailed ebook, and then you have to promote this ebook, and in the ebook itself you have to include your affiliate links. The users will go to your content, and if they love your content, they will definitely go with your affiliate links. The next method is the email marketing. You have to collect the emails from the users using social media, or you can collect the emails with the help of paid advertising. So you have to collect the emails first from the users. You can use the free tool like MailSim to host your emails. Once you collected the emails from users, then you can send the sequence of mails to your users with your affiliate links. Keep in mind that here also you have to build the trust on you before promoting affiliate links, and then you once you build the trust, you can go with your affiliate links to promote for your email subscribers. The next method which is trending now is the YouTube. Make a tutorials about your products on YouTube. Then just place the affiliate links in the description. Put a call to action in your video saying the link in the description. Consider to check out. It is a affiliate link. So if you follow in this way on YouTube, first you have to do the informative articles about your product. Suppose if you are promoting a hosting product like SiteGround, for that SiteGround there is a lot of problems users have, and there are the competitors for SiteGround, and what the benefits and what the advantages for the user to choose the SiteGround. So you have to identify those type of questions, and you have to answer those questions with the your videos. You have to provide the solution to the users come to YouTube or Google to search the solve solutions for their problems. People want the solutions and results for them, so you have to satisfy those candidates with your affiliate products. The next method is the Quora. Quora is a question and answering platform. There are lot of questions already available. Quora is ranking on Google for lot of queries. There is a high chance to view your answers by the users. So for that, first you have to sign up for Quora and create one account. It's free, and there you have to find out the questions relevant to your affiliate products. Then you have to answer those questions in detail. Keep in mind that just if you want to solve this problem, just purchase this product, that's all. No, that is not the correct process. You have to build the trust, you have to add the value, you have to give the lot of value for the user. Then user will trust you, and then the user will ready to buy the product from your affiliate link. The next method is the paid advertising. So paid advertising will help you to bring the results in quick, but keep in mind that directly don't promote your affiliate links with the paid ads. If you directly send the new user, stranger to your affiliate link, the conversions very less, because you have first user have to know the benefits of the products. So what the benefit the user getting, so first you have to explain those things. So highly here I am giving a super valuable tip. First, create the informative videos about your product and upload to Facebook and promote those products with the Facebook ads, and just retarget the users which users are watching your videos more than 50% or more than 90%. So those users are the more likely to interested in your products. So if you promote for particular users, if you promote your affiliate product, the conversion will be high and your advertising fees will be reduced. Okay guys, I am saying again the 7 methods you can promote your affiliate products without website using these 7 methods. But keep in mind that having a website for affiliate marketing is very high effective. You have a lot of advantages like retargeting, and if you observe the content on social media profiles is very less time live. When you take the blog post, those are available all time, and the user can go to different articles on your blog. You can provide more value to the user on your blog. If you are in the long time, and if you are promoting these affiliate products and blogging and in the long time, then your articles will be ranked in Google, and you will get lot of free traffic from the Google, and that means you are getting lot of affiliate products for free. If you are not affordable to domain name, hosting, or if you don't have the time to produce the content, then follow these 7 methods to promote affiliate products. The 7 methods are social media, promoting through online forums, create an ebook, email marketing, YouTube videos, answer on Quora, and paid advertising. These 7 methods will help you to promote your affiliate products without website. Hey guys, I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.